Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, highlights key differences in mindset and approach to finances between the rich and the poor. Here are some main differences. 1. Attitude towards money. The rich see money as a tool to grow wealth, whereas the poor view it as a source of struggle. 2. Financial education. Rich people prioritize learning about investments and wealth building, while the poor often lack financial literacy. 3. Income sources. The rich generate income from multiple sources like investments and businesses, whereas the poor usually rely on a single salary. 4. Investment versus consumption. Rich individuals invest in assets that generate returns, while the poor spend on liabilities. 5. Risk management. The rich take calculated risks to increase wealth, while the poor are generally risk-averse. 6. Focus on asset building. The rich focus on acquiring assets that appreciate, whereas the poor accumulate liabilities. 7. Money management skills. Wealthy people manage their finances effectively, making money work for them, unlike the poor. 8. Long-term planning. The rich have long-term financial plans, investing in future returns, while the poor focus on short-term needs. 9. Mindset of abundance versus scarcity. The rich believe in abundance and wealth creation, while the poor often have a scarcity mindset. 10. Self-investment. The rich invest in their own education and development, continually improving their skills, a practice less common among the poor. These differences highlight the importance of mindset and behavior in financial success, according to Kiyosaki.